Here's what you'll need for a delicious lemon and pistachio cake. Some eggs, some double cream for the filling. You don't have to have a filling, but always makes it more moist. A bit of green food colouring for the cream, obviously that's optional, but it does add to the effect. Some butter, lemons of course, and pistachios of course, dash of baking powder, some self-raising flour, caster sugar, and a bit of honey. First thing we're going to do is get all the yellow zest off your lemons. When you've got all the zest, next thing to do is to extract the juice. So get yourself a little juicer, extract your juice, put it in a bowl and put it to one side. With your lemons sorted, it's time to turn your attention to your cake. So melt some butter like I've done in the microwave, add your sugar and then just get them mixed up. Into there with about 2/3 of your lemon juice, save some for the drizzle on the top of the cake, and then your 3 eggs, and give them a quick mix, and then into your wet ingredients with your dry. In with your flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to put the mixture away and we're just going to fold them in. When your batter is nice and smooth, it's time to get your cake tin out. Give it a good rub round with some butter. Put yourself a little template from some oven-proof paper. Put that along the bottom, it will stick in all the butter. And then in with your batter. Then we're going to smooth it out, and this is going in the oven for around an hour because we're going to slow cook it. 160 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. With your cake baking in the oven, it's time to get on to your fillings and toppings. So your pistachio nuts, take the shells off, which is boring but it's got to be done, and then we're going to crush them. So you can do it the easy way in an electric blender or the old-fashioned way in a pestle and mortar. I am choosing the easy way. Onto your double cream, into which I'm going to add some food dye and some of the zest. And get that all whisked up until it forms nice peaks. When it's forming nice little peaks, it's time to get your cake out the oven after it's had 50 or 60 minutes. When your cake comes out the oven, just get a cocktail stick, stick it in there. If it comes out nice and dryish, i.e. it's not wet, then you know your cake's done. So get a plate, or in my case, a cake stand. And I'm just gonna flip it. Don't forget to take off your oven-proof paper, that's not too nice. Just let it cool down for 5 minutes. When it's cooled down a little bit so it's not burning your hand, get a serrated knife and then we're just going to cut it in half. You cut in half, it's now time to go round the whole cake, making holes in it like that, ready for the lemon and honey juice that you're going to put on it. When your cake is full of holes, pour a bit of honey into your lemon juice, give them a mix, and then I'm just going to put it onto the cake. Take the top part of the cake off, and then you're going to put your green cream into the middle as you fill it. Into your nuts, we're going with your lemon zest. Just mix them around a bit with your nuts, and then while the cake top is still sticky with the honey and lemon juice, just cover that with your pistachio and lemon zest.